Basic automotive tips for the beginners. What is the function of fuel pumps? What are the symptoms of the bad fuel pump? Let's go. This is the fuel pump. And you see, that is a fuel pump assembly.
Hi, this is ABS Chong TV channel. Welcome to my channel, kaibigan. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell, notification bell sa update ka sa aking mga videos upload.
Salamat po mga kaibigan. Pa-like and subscribe naman sa aking channel. So magsisimula na po ang ating overhauling fuel pump. This is a fuel pump. This is a fuel gauge. That's it. If the gasoline is full, we're going to up. If the gasoline is low, we're going to down. That is the black color. That is the pump. They're going up, and if the gasoline is more, and they're going down if the gasoline is low. So that's why I'm removing. That is supply from the fuel gauge. That's the gauge I will remove, and I separate place to make it safe that will not damage. Now I remove the fuel pump inside. Yeah, that is inside. So if you are doing it professionally, very easy. But you are doing it in the first time, so make it safe by the clip. You need to open the clip first. That is, you see in the box, and slowly remove the fuel pump. Now already remove the fuel pump, and remind that there is an O-ring inside. So when you remove the fuel pump using the flat screwdriver, and that's the O-ring I removing, you see, and this, that is from the return fuel pump, and that's O-ring. That's the O-ring into the fuel pump. Don't forget to fix the O-ring before you install the new fuel pump. That's it. You need to make it, push it hardly inside, so make it sure it will fit it properly. Now I'll fix again the fuel pump body inside the case. That's it. I fit it properly. Make it sure. You make it the good settings, and here the clips like tick noise. It means they already locked. Yeah, like that. Okay, now the fuel pump assembly, fuel pump motor is already installed inside the fuel pump assembly. Now I fitted the spring. Why it designed to a spring? Yeah, they will design it from spring because it is meant adjustable to the big size of the fuel pump and the small size of the fuel pump. And now I fitted the fuel gauge in the same places, and I fit the wire inside. So now already installed. EBS Chong TV channel present fuel pump function. Fuel pumps pump the gasoline from the vehicle's fuel tank to the engine, and also distribute fuel under low pressure to the carburetor or to the fuel injection system under the high pressure. Tips: how to know bad fuel pump. Okay. Engine long cranking at all times when cold engine or hot engine. after start the engine. That is cause of the hard starting, not all fuel pump. Repair to the nearest workshop and check DTC first. Maraming salamat, ABS Chong TV channel. Like and subscribe.